Alright, I'm going to bust another box of this 2009-2010 National Treasures basketball. Alright. Alright, here we go. Checklist. Here we go. Alright, first card out of 99. Ryan, can't tell what that is. Ryan Combs? Alright, base. 5 out of 5. Nice. Ed, I can't read that name, it's cursive. Anyway, read this one. Out of 99, Elgin Baylor. Here we go, first hit. James Harden, autograph jersey. Numbered out of 30. Got a redemption. 237 rookie signature material silver. Rookie signature material silver. 237. Darren Collison, not bad. Next hit. Rookie team timeline out of 25. James Harden again. Ooh, here we go. Who's this? Nice. Look at this right here. Rudy Fernandez. 1 of 1. Nice. Nice hit. Not bad. 1 of 1. Ooh. Still good. Keep dropping these cards. Next card. Clyde the Glide. NBA Greatest autograph. Numbered out of 25. Next card. Pau Gasol. Numbered out of 99. Next card, jersey card of Ty Lawson. Out of 25. Next card, Colossal of Tim Duncan. Jerseys. Out of 99. And last card, the base of Magic Johnson. Out of 99. Alright. And the bad box. Here's another look of the Rudy Fernandez. Alright, thanks for watching.